Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Marmaris. It's our day one and we want to show you around the gorgeous Turkey. So let's see Wagwan. So yeah, we arrived yesterday evening, so it was all pitch black when we got here. What time did we get here? About 12:30?
Maybe it was 1 o'clock, maybe.
Yeah. So we got home just in time because we're 2 hours ahead here, if anyone's wondering, if you're living in the UK. Just to see the end of the football.
Southampton, yeah.
But yeah, it was about an hour and a half from the airport. So we flew into Daliman, and then from Daliman we got a transfer DLM. So big up to DLM. If you are looking for a transfer, do check them out. We have got a video, and there will be another one. But sometimes your hotel or however you buy your airline ticket. But basically, it's cheaper than getting a taxi because I don't know how much a taxi would be.
God knows how much a taxi would be. Yeah.
It's a good, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours from the airport.
Hour and a half, depending on your driver.
Yeah, depending on your driver. So
Some
yeah,
of them
do
drive
make
very
sure
fast.
if you are coming to Marmaris, Ishmael, do make sure you get
So
your
Vamos.
transfer sorted.
I don't remember Vamos.
Vamos. Very nice
Yeah.
though, the white and the cream.
Yeah, let's do it. I don't remember it last year.
No. Well, this is why we're here, to see what's changed, what's new. And then obviously you've got the gorgeous sea. And we've got a view this time of these lovely mountains and everything, which is really nice. So we're literally just staying behind this little bit of the promenade. Coming up to Blackpool Restaurant and Bar.
We'll do a price one later on.
Yeah, this is just going to have a little wander. We've just got here, we want to have a little walk around. It's early morning.
We want to see the people that we know quickly.
Yeah, we've had some brekkie. We're just going to get out and get
Breakfast
some
was a bit disappointing. I'm okay, thank you, mate.
Oh, thanks,
I was a bit
thank
disappointed
you.
by the breakfast, though. Thank you. It's Southampton.
Yeah, the breakfast was very basic, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's nothing.
But again, it is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah. Didn't pay a lot, I think it was £30 a night.
Yeah, so this is more
For
of our
two
budget
people.
one, isn't it? So we're doing a sort of comparison to look out for that video as well. So you've got so many different sort of resorts and hotels here. So you can do it on a budget, but also you can do it on a higher end, and we just want to sort of
We're going to do the
comparison,
both. Yeah. Stay in the budget one this first 2 days, then we're going to go to a nice expensive one for 2 days.
The one looks like it's getting renovated. That was open last time we were here, wasn't it?
Yep. Don't know what it was called.
No, I can't remember what it's called, but I remember the big statue.
This place here.
Oh, a nice little pool.
Passat Garden, Beach Hotel.
Beach hotel.
Very nice.
Very nice. Nice little bit of music. You've got the Batman roof bar.
Ooh,
So
look at
Batman
that
Club we're coming up to. But yeah, it's a nice little roof terrace up there. And again, you've got those gorgeous views.
there. The beautiful views.
Beautiful views.
So,
So yeah, the flight was alright. It's 3.5 hours, which is probably the quickest flight we've had to Turkey. Hello.
no boys.
So yeah, the quickest time we've ever actually had on a flight. The flight was quite nice.
It's 3 hours.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's the quickest, wasn't it?
Yeah. Normally 4 hours. Can be 4 hours 30.
So yeah, we would have been here about 1:30, 2 o'clock if it was a normal sort of flight. So yeah, when we got here, pitch black, watched a bit of football, had a pint. Mine was quite expensive, wasn't it? It was
250
250 lira.
for a bottle of
Fs.
Fs. I don't know. I'll say it as I see it.
And then we got some fish and chips for what's it called? Tony Rams.
Yeah, Tony Rams. Actually, really nice.
It was
Real
really
fish and chips
nice.
as well. It's a small portion, but it's really filled me up.
And that was 6 lira.
No, £6.
Oh, £6, sorry.
It's not
So you
6
get very
lira, it'd be
confused.
nothing.
Welcome to the channel. If you don't know me, I get confused when it comes to things like that.
Yes, Sabrina logic.
Sabrina logic.
Yeah, we paid 6
I was trying to
lira.
make
Imagine
it
that,
make
you can pay
sense.
6 euros for this extra steak. So yeah, imagine paying 6 lira for stuff. Amazing value.
Yeah, it's nice and warm today.
That breeze is just taking the edge off
Yeah.
because it was so in the hotel room. I think this time of year, we've been here 2 times a year, one in September and one like now. And the time now in May, they never let you have the air conditioning for free. But you come in September, maybe they've made all their money and they just want to please you, so they let you have the air conditioning for free.
Last little bit, yeah.
So we haven't got aircon, so the room's roasting, and we tried to go outside to get it cooled down, and it's still hot. Yes, mate,
Hello,
you good?
you okay?
Good man.
There you go, you got Tiger's Tavern.
Yeah.
300 for as well, for breakfast, that's good.
That isn't bad, got Heinz beans as well.
Very good. That's Tiger Club. Hello.
Morning.
So, just over there you got the football bars, all the football bars around there. We'll be out there later on tonight.
Show you guys if anything's changed. It's quite a vibey little area, isn't it? Quite lively.
I wonder if they changed it, £1, 60 lira. 60
So there's the
lira.
conversion, so £1 every 60 lira. Or 60
So
lira to every
we
pound.
paid 500 and that was £8. So it was 500 for 2 FS. I've got an FS before or a Tuborg. I've got either one for 120.
Yes.
So I've got a big B right next to me.
And if you check out our video from the last time we're here, we are going to compare and see if the prices have gone up. So if anyone is coming out this year, we got you. We'll let you know what to expect, how many pennies you need to pack.
So everyone's getting their businesses ready. Because obviously this is very early season, very, very early. We're going to go and see Salt and Peppa boys. Go and say hello.
Got another one here. What's this one? Pandora.
Yeah, Pandora.
Nice and shaded in there if you want to get away from the sun.
Exactly.
And you got ice cream. Oh yeah, that breeze is really nice. And needed. So yeah, all these roads up here just lead back to sort of like the shops and the main high
The
street.
main high street, yeah. This garden area is brand new. So this wasn't here last year.
Oh wow, look
Keep
at
past the
that.
tractor.
Yeah, the salt and pepper looks like it's all new.
No,
isn't
salt and
it?
pepper's there.
No, but I mean, this
So-
is going to be all new, isn't it?
Salt and pepper's there.
Yeah, so I mean
Sorry.
the one next to it, like they're
That's what
doing a
I
new
just said,
bar,
yeah.
yeah. I thought you were talking about the hotel up there.
It's the same
but,
thing, yeah. It goes together as one.
Looks like it's almost done, so
We're
probably
gonna have
could
an
knock it
argument.
out.
We're gonna have an argument. She talking
And
rubbish.
the salt and pepper swing. Might have to
Right,
have a little go
here's
in
our
there.
boy. Here he is. Look at our boy. How are you?
Hello,
You good?
you alright? Hello.
Oh, nice to see you.
How are you?
Oh, my man. Good to see you, brother. How are you?
Very good,
to see
thank you. Good to see you.
Very well.
Back every
Back
year.
in the
Nice to
sun,
see you.
yeah.
Go on, you two
Oh,
speak.
Thank you very much, my man. I'm happy to see you. I'm over Blue Moon now. I'm over Blue Moon. At least I have seen my friends, there. There is
Back
something.
in
There was
Salt and
something
Peppa.
missing without you. Back to Salt and
Exactly.
Peppa. Back to reality.
That's
Have
it.
fun today.
Yes.
So time to have a drink and talk shite.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. Why not? Come on,
Have a
let's
seat.
have a drink.
Let's get a pint in us.
Never here last year.
Yeah.
They got big fish tank actually. His big name is Sean. His name.
Sean.
Sean is the big name. Stretching the legs. He's sleeping, deep sleep. Yeah, like too much alcohol last night.